Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to remove a Ford F-150 door panel. First, let's gather our essential tools. You will need a plastic trim removal tool, a Phillips head screwdriver, a small flathead screwdriver, and a 10mm socket wrench. Having these items ready will make the process much smoother. Also, prepare a soft, clean area nearby to safely place the door panel once it is removed, preventing any scratches or damage. Now, let's start by removing the visible fasteners. Begin by carefully prying off the small trim piece located behind the interior door handle using your flathead screwdriver. This will expose 2 Phillips head screws, which you should remove. Next, look inside the door pull handle. You will find and need to remove a 10mm bolt. Finally, gently pry up the window switch panel with your trim tool and disconnect its electrical connectors. With the fasteners removed, it's time to detach the main door panel. Take your plastic trim removal tool and begin to carefully pry around the entire perimeter of the door panel. You will hear the plastic clips releasing as you work your way around. Once all the clips are free, the panel will feel loose. Then, simply lift the entire door panel straight up and away from the door frame. For the final steps, we need to disconnect the remaining components. First, rotate the plastic housing of the door handle cable to unhook the cable end. Then, unplug any other electrical connectors still attached to the back of the door panel. With everything disconnected, you can now safely set the door panel aside on your prepared soft surface. You have successfully removed your Ford F-150 door panel.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.